Good morning, kids. Today we will solve the worksheet and first standard. You all know that we have completed the first and second chapter. So on according to that we will solve the worksheet. So today the first worksheet will be on the topic on and under. Okay. On is the glass is on. The glass is on the table. Okay. A on the table. This glass is on the table. Okay. A bottle is under the table. The bottle is under the table. The bag is under the table. The bag is under the table. So now color the box under the table this box you need to color it. Okay, this box you need to color with crayons. I am coloring with pencil, but you all color with crayons. Okay, under the table. Now color the mangoes on the tree. Yes, on the tree you have to color it. Okay, these mangoes are on the tree, so you need to color them. Kids, I have sent you the PDF. From that PDF you need to take a printout and this worksheet should be solved on that, and keep that solved pages properly. Whenever the day is given to you to submit to the school, that day you need to submit these papers. So take a printout and solve it. Look at the given pictures and circle the correct answer. Look at the given pictures and circle the correct answer. The flowers are on or under the table? On the table. Yes, flowers are on the table. Okay. And the leaves are on the table or under the table? On the table. Okay. This. Look at the given picture. Fill in the blanks with on or under. The mug is dash the mat. On the mat. The mat is under the mug. Is it? See, this is a mug. This is above the mat. Means on the mat, and mat is under the mug. Okay. We will solve the next worksheet, that is inside outside. I have made the video and shown you how the chalk is inside the house and outside the house. I have showed in my video. I have kept pencil outside the house and chalk inside that house. Yes or no? You have seen that. You have understood that time inside and outside. Same now. Here you have to look at. Two boys are standing outside the house. These two boys are standing outside the house. One boy is standing inside the house. Only one boy is standing inside the house. Circle the animal that is inside the cave. Inside the cave. Guha. Inside the cave. This it is. So circle it. Okay, circle this. And color the marbles that are outside the box. You have to color the marbles which are outside the box. You need to color it. Okay. Now circle the hands outside the cup. These outside are there, no? So you need to circle them. You need to circle them. These are outside. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with inside or outside. Mangoes are dash the basket. Mangoes are inside the basket. Watermelons. These are the watermelons. Watermelons are outside the basket. Yes, this is a basket. Inside the basket mangoes are there. These are outside the basket. I hope so you understood on, under and inside outside. Yes. Okay. Now we will solve the next page, that is above and below. Above, below. observe the picture. The fan is above the boy. This fan is above the boy. The boy is below the fan. The boy is below the fan. There is a distance. Okay. Color the bird above the tree. This is above the tree bird. You have need to color this bird. Okay. Draw a leaf below the flower. Draw a leaf below the flower. You need to draw a leaf below the flower. This is a flower. Below the flower you draw a leaf. Okay. You need draw a flower below the leaf. Sorry. Draw a leaf below the flower. Draw a butterfly above the flowers. Okay. You need to draw a butterfly above the flowers. These are the flowers and here the butterfly is drawn. Is it clear? Okay. Now look at the pictures. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with above or below. With above or below. Leaves. These are leaves. Ground. Roots. Okay. The roots grow dash the ground. These roots grow where they grow? Below the ground. Inside the ground. Below. Under the ground. Below the ground. The leaves grow dash the ground. Above the ground. Above the ground. Is it clear? Now we have solved the worksheet on the and on, under, inside, outside, above, below, and next we go to the near, far. Near, far. Okay. Observe the picture. The dog is sitting near the mango tree, but the tortoise is far away from the mango tree. The tortoise is near the coconut tree, but the dog is far from the coconut tree. See, this is a mango tree. This is a coconut tree. This is the dog. This is the tortoise. This is far to this and dog is far to coconut tree. Okay. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with near or far. Bina has dashed to her house. She, this girl is near to house. Near her house. Bijoy is dashed from his house. Far from his house. Far. Okay. Draw a tree far from the pond. Draw a mouse near the tree. Here the tree will be far away from this pond. And mouse, you need to draw mouse. It will be the near to a tree. Okay. Now above this picture, do as directed. Okay. Color the flower near to the girl red. The flower which are near to the girl, you color it as a red. Color the flower far from the girl yellow. This you need to color as a yellow because it is a far. This flower is far away from the girl. Color the tree far from the girl. Which tree is far from the girl? This you need to color with a green color. Color the butterfly near the girl blue. Which is the butterfly near to the girl? This butterfly you need to color it as with a blue color. Okay, understood what is near, far, on, under, above, below, near, far. Okay, next we will study about small, big. Okay, big and small. We will study about big and small. In our next class. So today we stop our video here. Okay, please follow that in your worksheet book. All I have given with the PDF file. Take a printout of all papers at once only and complete it and submit to the school on a proper day. Thank you kids. Till that, take care. Have a nice day.